What's up YouTube? It's Aaron with Siegfried's Motorworks. Here today we're going to be doing some unboxing or some product reviews. First thing we have on the block here today is a product that we just bought. This is an EarthQuake XT 12 volt lithium wireless 3/8 ratchet. I just bought this tool. We actually had purchased EarthQuake's polisher a little while back. One problem when you're buying a Harbor Freight tool is that they only include one battery. So I was in the market for a second battery and I actually ended up buying a second tool, so I have two batteries. I have spent some time with this tool. If you're in the market for a 3/8 ratchet and you're working on anything power sports related, I personally use this tool a lot for our scooter service work. This is a great tool for CVTs, exhaust removals, exhaust installs. It just speeds everything up because instead of having to send that ratchet, you can use this tool instead. It is pretty powerful. One thing I do like about it is it does kind of stop itself. So we haven't had a chance to snap any bolts yet. Not to say you can just use this tool carelessly, but it does seem like it has something built into it that allows it to back off so you won't have that torque to snap a bolt. So at any rate, this tool is available. You can purchase these at Harbor Freight. That's where we got ours. I think you can buy online from them, but at any rate, thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, want to see more like it, leave a comment, let us know what you think, and either way, we'll catch you guys on the next video.